This is a very common mistake I see people make when they want to stop drinking alcohol, and it actually has a pretty simple fix. So stick around, I'm going to show you what that is. My name is Chris, by the way. I'm a life coach, hypnotist, and an alcohol freedom coach. Used to struggle with alcohol, got it out of my life, and now I help others do the same. So the big mistake that people make is focusing on what you're giving up. Doom and gloom. Oh my God, I'm not going to have alcohol anymore. Oh, what's that going to look like? How am I going to take the edge off? What about when I'm stressed? What am I going to tell my friends? They're going to judge me. All these thoughts come in and your focus is there. Instead, if you shift the focus to where you're going, what kind of life do you want to have without alcohol? What kind of freedom is that going to give you? How much more money you're going to have? How much more energy you're going to have? How much better your relationships are going to be? How much more productive you're going to be? I mean, really get excited about your future and where you're going. Write all the things that you want to have happen in your life down on a piece of paper and then look at them and get excited about it. When you put the attention there on where you're going, your brain will direct your energy in that way. But many people end up going, oh God, I don't know what I'm going to do. It's going to be too hard. My life is going to be so different. Doom and gloom. Ah! And that's where your brain wants to go. And that's why it brings you back to alcohol over and over and over again. Shift the focus and your life will change and you will become a non-drinker. Do it. You got this.